This is wireless notice board using Bluetooth HC05 and Arduino UNO. The connection diagram is shown here. I have used Arduino UNO board and one LCD display with display module with I2C module in order to make the less number of connections. I2C module is used, and this is a Bluetooth HC05. Bluetooth has got 6 pins, enable, and this the last pin I am not using. I am using only 4 pins: VCC, ground, TXD pin, and RXD pin. TXD pin of Bluetooth is connected to RXD pin of Arduino Uno board, and RXD pin of Bluetooth is connected to TXD pin of Arduino Uno board. And you should note down one point. While uploading the code, you should remove these two wires. So after uploading, only connect TXD of Arduino to RXD of Bluetooth and RXD of Arduino to TXD of Bluetooth. And VCC is connected to 5 volts pin of Arduino Uno board, and ground is connected to ground of Arduino Uno board. So for LCD, also I need VCC and ground. And if you are not able to do the 2 wires in the same pin, so you can use breadboard for doing the connection. So 5 volts pin is connected to breadboard power rail, and ground is also connected to ground rail on the breadboard. And from the breadboard, you do the connection for VCC and ground of Bluetooth and VCC and ground of LCD module. In this way also you can do it. And LCD has got 2 more pins, that is serial data pin and serial clock pin. The serial clock pin Arduino board is connected to a serial clock pin of LCD, and SDA is connected to SDA pin of LCD. If you don't have SCL and SDA pins on your Arduino board, you can use A4 and A5 pin of Arduino Uno board to connect SCL and SDA pins. So this is all about connection. In Coder, we are using LCD crystal header file in order to display the message. And I'm using LCD to 16 characters. It will be displayed on 2 rows. So 16:2. It is a 16:2 display, and the address of 16:2 LCD display is 0x27. That also you should mention here. And you should install the liquid crystal header file in library from the sketch include library that I'll show you later. And initially we initialize the LCD. And we will turn off the backlight of LCD using this command, and we will set the cursor from at first row and first column. And initially just we will print Bluetooth data in the LCD, and I'm using the baud rate 9600. And here we will check whether data is available to read or not. And if the data is available, we will store the data in a data using serial.string until the new line character. And if any white spaces are available on the trailing or leading, we will remove it using a dot trim command. And then after we will print this in serial monitor also the same data. And first we will clear the LCD model, and we'll set the cursor position 0 row and 0 column. And if the data sent from the mobile Arduino controller app, if it is less than 16 characters, less than or equal to 16 characters, that will be displayed in LCD in the first line. And otherwise, if it is more than 16 characters, then the first 16 characters, the using substring command, it will be displayed on first row from first column, and and the cursor is set to the next row, second row, using 0,1, and the remaining 16 characters will be displayed on the second line. So this is all about the program. Now I'll show you how to upload the code. Before uploading code, you should include the library, #include, manage library. And here you type liquid crystal. liquid crystal. Here I have installed liquid crystal I2C by Frank D. Brabander. That I have installed. You also install it. After installation, so you choose the board. Here I am choosing Arduino UNO board and choose the port. My Arduino UNO board is connected to COM10 port. Now I'll upload the code. So you click on this button, so it will upload the code. It takes a few seconds. So while uploading the code, you should remove RX and TX pin from your Arduino UNO board. Then only it will upload the code to your Arduino board. Now it is uploading is done. You can see here. Open the serial monitor and now you do the connection. I'll connect TX and RX pin on the Arduino board. So now if I send a command from my mobile, it will be displayed on the serial monitor as well as the Arduino in the LCD display. Now I sent message from my mobile, good morning. So it is displayed in serial monitor. At the same time, it is displayed in the LCD module also. And now you can see the good morning message in serial monitor here. And at the same time, it is displayed in LCD display also. So this is all about sending the data from mobile, from a mobile Bluetooth controller to LCD module. This is Bluetooth controlled wireless notice board. Here I am using Arduino UNO board, HC05 Bluetooth module and LCD module with I2C. Here backside I have connected I2C LCD with I2C module and breadboard for doing VCC and ground connection and smartphone for enabling the Bluetooth. How to do the connection? I have already explained in the connection diagram. Now you should first turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on now. Now you should pair the Bluetooth. So I have paired HC05 Bluetooth now. After pairing HC05, click on done and go to Play Store and install Arduino Bluetooth controller app. So I have already installed. Click on Arduino Bluetooth controller. So here you should click on terminal. Then it will show us connected. Now I'll send a message. Hello, good morning, hello all. I'll send and I'll click on this button. So it will display a message hello all sent and at the same time you can see in a LCD display hello all and you can see the same message in serial monitor also. You can check the message in serial monitor also hello all. In this way from mobile you can send any message to your wireless notice board. Since it is 16 by 2 LCD display module, so in two lines in both the rows you can display the characters up to 32 characters, 16 characters in one row and another 16 characters in another row. So this is all about interfacing of Bluetooth and LCD module with I2C with your Arduino board.